I've been thinking about how pain in your body can have somewhat domino effect. For instance, if you have a cold, then that can cause congestion, and congestion can give you a headache, and a headache can hinder you from getting through tasks, so on and so forth. And it doesn't matter how much medicine you take, unless you're consuming the correct medicine to target that illness, it'll just continue on. When I thought about it, I realized that that can also happen to us generally in life. For example, if we experience a loss on or around a certain holiday, that day tends to hold a lot of grief. The grief prevents us from being in the moment with our families. Then our families are sad because we're sad, so on and so forth. It's important for us to understand that when we are hurting, when we're suffering, we have to seek the remedy that will heal all of our hurt. Jeremiah 30:17 says, "But I will restore you to health and heal your wounds, declares the Lord." When I read this scripture, I'm not only happy that the Lord has the ability to heal me, but I'm convinced that He can heal the hurt caused by others' hurt. Of course, ultimately, the healing promised in this verse was pointing to Jesus and what He would do for us. The same is true for the pain and hurts in our lives today. There's a power in the love and tenderness of Christ that can really soothe those areas of deep pain. He cares for us today.